Hey guys, quick video for you on how you can connect your Alienware monitor to your PC. So it's nothing difficult. You can have the HDMI on your Alienware, on your monitor, and you want to take the cable, you want to put it inside the monitor, and then the second part, you're just gonna have the PC HDMI, and where it's located, it's going to be right here, and you can have it there on your graphic card, and you're just gonna insert it right there. So that's it, what you want to do and how you're gonna actually do it. And I hope this video helped you on what you can do and how you can connect it and how you can connect your Alienware to your PC. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.